Welcome to Soul Sanctuary, where we take moments for peace, healing, and calm. This guided visualization will help you let go of any stress or tension you're carrying and reconnect with your inner peace. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and let's begin. Take a deep breath in through your nose, allowing your chest to rise. Hold for a moment and gently exhale through your mouth. As you breathe out, feel the weight of the day melting away. Continue to breathe deeply, focusing on each inhale and exhale, allowing yourself to become more present. Now, imagine you are walking through a tranquil garden. The air is fresh, and you feel the warm sun on your skin. Birds sing softly in the distance, and each step you take brings you closer to a place of deep relaxation. As you walk, any remaining stress begins to fall away, leaving you feeling lighter. As you find a quiet spot in this garden, imagine a small stream nearby. Gently place any stress or worries you've been holding onto into the water. Watch them float away with the current, leaving you feeling calm and free. Each exhale releases more tension, allowing peace to settle in your body. Take this moment to affirm, I am calm, I am grounded, I release what no longer serves me. As you breathe, feel the peace within you expanding. Know that this feeling of calm is always available to you. It is within you. Take one last deep breath in. And slowly exhale. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining this meditation with Soul Sanctuary. If this brought you peace, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more moments of calm and healing. Carry this sense of peace with you throughout your day.